What's up, everybody? I wanted to talk today a little bit more about over-the-shoulder casts, or like launching the mace. So I want to give a little shout out to the big man from the UK, Paul Tinney. Had recently posted a video on Instagram where he was talking about launching the mace high, when you launch it up and over your shoulder. And it's something he didn't point it out to me. It's something I've been noticing I've been doing a lot lately, and it's been driving me insane. And it finally just, he made a little video about this, and it dawned on me what I've been doing. And I've been shooting it up and over real low going into my first swings, and then it just doesn't give me the momentum I need coming in on the other side. So what you want to do is you want to really kind of launch that thing up there a little ways, and it'll really help going into your first rep. So I was kind of dumping it over like that, and then you really got to pull hard to get it on that first swing. But what will really help, really shoot it up there, and then you got plenty of momentum going into that first swing, and it'll help a lot. So just a little nuance, little trick there for that particular type of cast, where a little more air time on the way up will really help on that first rep, and really set yourself up properly so you're not right in the fight on the first rep and then fighting to get your rhythm figured out, because that first rep sucks so much that you're already overpowered it, and then now you're, wait, it takes till you're 5 reps in to get the set going the way you want it to go. So anyway, shout out to Paul. If you like that, let us know in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next video.